Welcome back to Battle of Warships. No, Aircraft Apocalypse. This is the second of this series, second episode of the series. So I'm going to use FS Dunker Q first this round. It's 7v7 like always. Wow, we almost have the same things. The only thing is the enemy has an aircraft carrier and we have destroyers. I'm just going to take out I want to attract attention from the aircraft carrier, because these interceptors can shoot down, have guns. Yes, indeed. So like and subscribe if you want this series to continue. If not, I'll only make episodes up to episode 5. So make sure to subscribe. Subscribe. I'm not even sure if I spelled that right. Wait. That other ship is so tiny. What? Wait. It's Royal Suffrage Team? Also known as that cow ship? Whoa. That is not a Royal Suffrage Team. Or my ship's just so big that it dwarfs that other one. Either way. Destroy him. Like all the viewers want to see. If anybody is named Jugador, I have no idea why. If you're named Jugador, tell me why in the comments. And the first one to die is one of our team. That's not good. If we can make that a defenseless aircraft carrier, that would be nice. That's why we're going for the aircraft carrier. I think it's going to launch an aircraft on us soon. So prepare for torpedoes, guys. Nice. Yes. Die, Mr. Aircraft Carrier. How many interceptors do we have to put up in the air? The only damage done is that you no longer have any aircraft. Where does he? I think he does. You know what? I'm just gonna spin these ships. Comment down below which one you think. You can. This one is number 1. This is number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. So just type up to number 10. Oops. I mean, type 1 through 12 of numbers. So, I think it's an aircraft carrier. Yep, it's a Shagamon aircraft carrier, so I think it was number 2. So if you guessed number 2, you were right. And give half a point to yourself if you said number 1 or 3. Because you were very, very close. So, unlike that other guy with the aircraft carriers, we'll be smart. Yes, indeed. Very, very smart. Rock time, dudes! Okay, I think we're going to go for this Hornet. So, the wise idea is to see what they're going to do. Check what time it's going to take. When your aircrafts are prepared. We will be doing this. Oh wait, what is he going to do? Wait. Hello there. You just made a big mistake. Say bye-bye. They're coming for you. Die. No! We missed. How do we miss with every torpedo? We will destroy this and end the video. Rest in peace, other guy. Destroy him. Yes! I think we hit him. No. These torpedoes aren't fast enough to catch up with him. Wait, maybe they are? There's one torpedo among us. Oh! No! Come back here, aircraft. Aircraft? Did they all get shot down? It's okay. Ending the video now. Enjoy your day, everybody.